Good morning, children. I hope you are fine and safe at home. Today's topic is heavy and light. What we are going to learn? Heavy and light. What we are going to learn? Heavy and light. Before that, we have to know what is heavy and what is light. Shall we? Okay. I am going to lift two things. I am lifting paper and I am lifting the block. See, I can lift this paper easily. See here, but I can't lift this block easily. See, okay, the things which are less in weight are light and the things which are more in weight are heavy. Once again I repeat, the things which are less in weight are light and the things which are more in weight are heavy. Okay? I hope you understand. Let us see one more example. See, I can lift this leaf easily. See, these are light and this pot is very heavy. See here, I can't lift this easily. I am using two of my hands. I can't lift this pot easily. This is light and this is heavy. Shall we see in weighing machine? Now we are going to see these things heavy and light in weighing machine. Weighing machine is used to help find which is heavy and which is light. Shall we? Now I have taken the weighing machine. See, I am going to keep two things and we are going to find which is heavy and which is light. Shall we? The heavier object comes down. See, heavier object will come down and light object will move up. Shall we? I am going to keep the cotton in this tray and I am going to keep bowl and this is heavy. See here, this is heavy, this is going down and the cotton is see here, the cotton is lighter object and this bowl is heavy. So the heavier object will move down, go down and the lighter object stay in this place. See? Next I am going to keep other two objects. I am going to keep the elephant and the flower. See here which is going down? Yes, the elephant doll is going down and this flower is in up. This flower is light and this elephant is heavy, which we can't lift easily. This flower, we can lift this flower easily, but we can't lift this elephant easily. I hope you understand. Now I am going to keep this ball one side and this doll in other side. See, the heavier object will move down. See, the heavy object is going down and the lighter object is staying up. From this, we can understand the heavy object is going down and the lighter object stay here. Once again I say the lighter object is very easy to lift and the heavier object is more in light weight, that is hard to lift. Lighter object are easy to lift and the heavier object is hard to lift. Now shall we learn and mark which is heavy and which is light from our board? What they are doing? And the elephant what they are doing? Yes, they are playing it stays there. The heavier object moves down and the light one stays up. Shall we write heavy for the elephant? Shall we? Yes, the elephant is heavy and the ant is light. Shall we write heavy for the elephant? Yes. H E A V Y. Heavy. And the ant is light. The ant is light. Shall we write light? L I G H T. Light. The ant is light. The elephant is heavy. Now I am going to place apple and the basket of apple in the seesaw. Okay? Which will go down? Yes, the heavier object will go down and the light one stays up. See here, the basket of apple stays down and the one apple stays here. Now we are going to write light and heavy. Shall we? The basket of apple is heavy to lift and the apple is easy to lift. So we are going to write light for the apple. L I G H T. Light. And the basket of apple is heavy to lift. So we are going to write heavy. H E A V Y. Heavy. The basket of apple is hard to lift and we can lift the apple easily. Okay, who are they? Yes, they are monkeys. They are monkeys. See what the monkey is doing? Is having one banana. Is having one banana. It can lift the banana easily. So the monkey is light. See here. This monkey is having this frog in its hand. It is very hard to lift. See how it struggles. It is heavy. The stone is heavy and the banana is easy to lift. And the stone is rock is heavy to lift. Shall we write light and heavy? The banana is light. L I G H T. Light. And the rock is hard to lift. So I am going to write heavy. H E A V Y. Heavy. Next, what are these? What are these? These are flower part and feather, which we can lift easily. Yes, we can lift the feather easily with the hand. But we can't lift this flower part in one hand. It is very hard to lift. So I am going to use my two hands so that I can lift the flower part. So I am going to write heavy in the flower part. H E A V Y. Heavy. And the feather is very easy to lift. I am going to write feather light. L I G H T. Light. Okay. Next we shall we move here? What are these? Yes, it is car and this is bicycle. See which is heavy and which is light? Yes, the bicycle is light and the car is heavy. Shall we write heavy and light? Car is heavy. H E A V Y. Heavy. And the bicycle is light. L I G H T. Light. we can write balloon as light. We can't lift the tree. It is very hard to lift. So we are going to write tree as heavy. Shall we write balloon? Balloon is light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. And the tree is heavy. Now I am going to write heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. See, I hope you understand this concept heavy and light by using these pictures. Shall we play an activity? Shall we play in seesaw? Okay, shall we? Now we are going to see an interesting activity of heavy and light. Now I am going to place two objects, handbag and the hat. I am going to place the hat on one side and the handbag on other side. See which one goes up and which one goes down. Yes, the handbag goes down. The handbag is heavy and the hat is light. It is very easy to lift. This is very hard to lift. So, the handbag is heavy and the hat is light. Next, I am going to keep two things. One side, flower pot and the other side, a leaf. See here, which one is heavy? Yes, the heavier object goes down and the light one stays up. The flower pot is heavy and the leaf is light. Now I have taken a wooden pin and a teddy bear made of cotton, fully cotton. So I am going to place wood here and the teddy bear here. See, the teddy bear is up. The wood is down. The wood is heavy and the teddy bear is light. I have taken a paper and book. Now I am going to keep the paper in one side and the book in the other side. See, the books comes down and the paper goes up. The paper is light and the book is heavy. I hope you enjoyed the heavy and light activity and understood the concept heavy and light. So, for your home assignment, you have to complete page number 12 in your numeracy skills textbook and send